The second piece that we're going to talk about is how do you actually build an automated newsletter that is truly set it and forget it. So I'm super excited to get into it. Now, there are two types of newsletters that a creator can create. They can create atomic newsletters or a minimalist newsletter, where basically it's a very simple, to the point newsletter where it can either point to links, resources, things like that. Think of a curated newsletter to point to specific resources. Or there is the second newsletter where they're actually giving a whole long form content piece. Now, when we're in a society where attention is the new currency and we're all competing for attention, I honestly will bet that atomic newsletters will perform way better than long form newsletters. That's just my personal opinion. In fact, you can see all these open rates for all my atomic newsletters. So this begs the question, why do creators need to have a newsletter? Here's the thing, social media is not going away. However, it is becoming quite difficult for creators to get noticed on these platforms. They're competing with algorithms, they're competing with individuals that are in the same niche. It is a very competitive landscape when it comes to social media. But you know what's not a competitive landscape? Your own newsletter. What your goal should be going forward as a creator is it should be taking that audience from social media and converting it to your own audience so that you're able to contact them at any point in time, doesn't matter the platform that you're on. And that's where newsletters come into play. Now this begs the second question of how do you actually start one?